Good morning, students. Let us continue chapter 11, Hydrosphere. We will study today ocean currents. Ocean currents are cohesive streams of seawater that circulates through the ocean. Causes of ocean currents. So, ocean currents are caused due to various factors like planetary winds, winds which blow permanently on the Earth's surface in a particular direction are known as planetary winds. Trade winds, westerlies, polar easterlies, these are planetary winds. Trade winds in both the hemisphere, they blow from eastern direction between equatorial low pressure belt to the subtropical high pressure belt. Hence, force the water to move from eastern direction towards the west direction between the equatorial low pressure belt to subtropical high pressure belt. Similarly, westerlies which blow from west direction towards the east direction between subtropical high pressure belt and subpolar low pressure belt. Hence, force the water to move in the eastern direction between these two pressure belts. And polar easterlies as they blow from eastern direction in both the hemisphere between polar high pressure belt and subpolar low pressure belt. Hence, force the water to flow from eastern direction towards the west. Salinity variation means the amount of salt dissolved in the ocean water. Higher the salt, denser is the water, means heavier is the water. So, heavier water will move slowly as compared to the water which contains less salt. Earth's rotation. The speed of Earth's rotation is faster at equator. So, all the moving bodies, that is winds and ocean currents, they move in a clockwise direction in northern hemisphere. This is clockwise direction in northern hemisphere, and they blow in the anti-clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. Land configuration. Land obstruct the motion of the ocean water and diverts its movement. Earthquake or storms. Earthquake or storms, they causes or they results in the speed or sudden occurrence of ocean currents. Variation in temperature means at the equatorial region, because of high temperature, water is warm. So, warm water is always light water. It moves towards the polar areas and force the polar water to move towards the equatorial region. So, the currents which originates from equatorial region are warm currents, whereas which flow from polar region are cold currents. Now children, types of ocean currents. Ocean currents according to the depth are surface currents or deep surface currents. According to the temperature of ocean water, these are warm current and cold current. According to the volume of water, speed and direction, currents are drift, current and stream. Now warm water current and cold water current. On the map, warm water currents are shown by red color. They flow from equatorial region towards the polar region. In each ocean, this is Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, you can see this. whereas cold currents are shown by blue color and they flow from polar region towards the equatorial region, right? And moreover, these currents, they form circular pattern in each ocean as well as in each hemisphere. Now, surface currents and deep ocean currents. Children, these currents are under the influence of winds. Surface currents, as the name suggests, the currents which flow over the surface of the water are called surface currents. Deep ocean currents which flow beneath the surface of the ocean water, and they are under the density of water, means they are higher, so they flow beneath the surface. Now the ocean currents of Atlantic Ocean. Gulf Stream. Gulf Stream is powerful, warm water and swift Atlantic current which originates from Gulf of Mexico and flows towards the Europe. Okay, name changes according to the speed and the place. It becomes North Atlantic Drift. It is also warm current, originates from Grand Bank. Here is Grand Bank near Newfoundland to Western Europe. Keeps ports of Europe ice free even in winter. Labrador current. It is cold current, flows from Arctic Ocean along the coast of Labrador. This is Labrador. Meets the warm Gulf Stream at Grand Bank, southeast of Newfoundland. Mixes with warm current. So mixing of cold current and warm current produces dense fog and they forms the richest fishing grounds of the world as well. Now children, ocean currents of Pacific Ocean. Kuroshio current along the coast of Japan. These are warm current, also known as black current or black stream. Japan current because they blow along the coast of Japan and this supports the coral reef of Japan. It begins off the east coast, means they flow towards from along the east coast of Japan and this starts from Taiwan. Okay, this was Taiwan here and flow northeastward part of Japan. Then Oashio current which comes from northern side. This is cold subarctic ocean current, originates in Arctic Ocean and flows southward, collides or you can say meets with the Kuroshio current on the eastern coast of Japan. So creates the richest fishing grounds of the world and keeps Russian ports ice free. Now children, effects of ocean currents on climate. Ocean currents can cause rainfall because air above the warm current becomes warm and collects great capacity of moisture, thus helps in increasing the amount of precipitation, whereas the cold current discourage rainfall, as in the case of Kalahari Desert along the western coast of South Africa and Atacama Desert along the western coast of South America. Then temperature. Warm or cold currents flowing near the coast exert a significant climatic influence. Warm current like equatorial current will increase the temperature of the area wherever it will reach. And on the other hand, cold current will decrease the temperature of the area wherever it will reach. Fog. Fog is produced where both cold current and warm current will mix. Then children, violent storms. Violent storms, they follow the line of meeting of cold and warm currents. Hurricanes which occur off the coast of United States follow the line where Gulf Stream mixes with the Labrador current. Then effect on marine organisms. Organic material is produced which is food of planktons. Planktons are the food of fish. So rich fishing grounds are produced along the area where the warm current and cold current mixes. Then on commerce, ice-free ports because of warm current. Then currents also influence the direction of ships. Means if the ships are moving in the same direction of currents, the speed will become more, and speed can hamper if the ships are moving opposite to the direction of ocean currents. Ocean currents, wherever warm current and cold current mixes, icebergs are formed. So they creates danger to the ships also, like in the case of Titanic. Thank you children. Stay safe, stay home.